In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Google. Then click on All Services. Tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google. And Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to change and enter your current login method. Then hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!